Hi, welcome to my gardening tips channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a super simple and natural way to grow your own mulberry plants at home starting from cuttings, using nothing more than small pots and fresh aloe vera gel. If you've been wanting to grow mulberries, but don't want to spend money on nursery plants, this method is perfect, and it works beautifully in most areas across the United States. Mulberry trees are fast growers, they're hardy, and they produce tons of sweet berries every summer, and the great thing is, they root extremely well from cuttings. So let's jump right in. Start by taking a few healthy branches from a mature mulberry tree. You want semi-hardwood cuttings, those slightly firm stems that still have a little flexibility. Each cutting should be about 6 to 8 inches long, with at least 3 or 4 nodes. Go ahead and remove the leaves from the lower part of the cutting, so it can focus its energy on forming roots instead of feeding leaves. Now let's get the aloe ready. Aloe vera is an amazing natural rooting aid. It helps prevent bacteria, reduces rot, and encourages strong root growth. Take a fresh aloe leaf, slice it open, and scoop out the gel. You can blend it or just mash it with a spoon until it becomes smooth and easy to work with. It should look kind of like a thick, clear jelly. Next, dip the lower 2 inches of each mulberry cutting into the aloe gel. Make sure the whole base is coated. If you want to give your cuttings an extra push, you can let them soak in the gel for about 10 minutes. It's optional, but it does help the rooting process. Now grab your small black pots. Black pots warm up faster in the sun, which helps root development. Especially if you're in a cooler part of the US, fill the pots with a light, well-draining soil mix. A combination of potting soil and perlite or coarse sand works great. Use your finger or a pencil to make a little hole in the soil. Then gently place the cutting in, about 2 to 3 inches deep. Press the soil around it just enough so it stays upright. After that, give the soil a light watering just enough to settle everything. Remember, the soil should stay moist, not soggy. Place the pots where they'll get bright, in direct sunlight. Morning sun is fine, but avoid intense midday heat for the first couple of weeks. Keep an eye on the moisture level and water when the top layer of soil starts to dry out. In about 3 to 5 weeks, you should start noticing new leaves forming at the top of the cutting. That's your sign that roots are growing underneath, and the plant is ready to keep developing. And here are the results. Just look at these beautiful mulberry plants' healthy green leaves. This natural method really works, and you can see the proof right here. Try it yourself and enjoy growing your own mulberry plants at home.